Hey, Gator, it's time to put the 440 Magnum with a tunnel ram in this duster. Let's go. All right, let's see what she's got. Look at that beauty purr. Yeah, it sounds super fast. You bet. High five, team.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim. This will be just a short update on the start of my group build for A-body Mopars. And that's held by that's being held by KDOGS Model Car Doghouse and Klein Race Car Designs. It's a pretty cool buddy build. And I've got the engine all taken off the sprue. This is an MCV engine. And with that, I'm going to put a little bit of it together. Some really small parts in this engine. The detail is just simply amazing. And that looks like a real block. Let's see what we got here. All right, I guess first we're going to put the heads on. Using CA glue. Okay. Next, you have the valley cover goes in there. There. There are the heads and the valley are on there. Next, I'm going to put the front cover on. Okay, that's on. We have the oil pan. Alright, oil pan's on. Engine's coming together. Valve covers I'm not going to put on because I'm painting these will be black. Hopefully trimmed in a little bit of silver on top with the fins. So I'm going to leave that off. The manifold will of course be aluminum. I'm going to leave that off. Let's see here. Alternator is going to be silver. Water pump. Alright, water pump's on. Carburetors, these are AFB or Carters, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on or use Holleys. Let's put the transmission together. Transmission comes in 4 pieces. The tail shaft on. It's a 727 trans. Let me put the oil pan on. There you go, that's together. I'm not going to put the converter in because I'm going to paint it, even though you won't see it. There's that. What else we got going on here right now? I think that's about it. Everything else is going to be painted separately. The headers will be in stainless. Manifold aluminum, valve covers black. Of course, the 440 for this year. This would be in hemi orange. This will be done in aluminum or probably aluminum. Fan will be black. It's the most delicate of any of the 3D printed engines I've ever put together. And with that, this is all that's going to be done here. Next time you'll see this will be on the bench being painted. That's, like I said, just a short update. I will have a, let me bring you down and show you the mock-up of the car itself. I was going to back half it just like I did the Chevelle, but I decided I'm going to make it a smaller tire car. I think that'll be pretty cool. But for now, this is all going to be on here. Until then, take care. Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. And just watch the Gator Nationals. It was a pretty good race this year. And until then, I will see you later. Take care and peace.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.